So what is next after payments? Embedded lending is an area which we believe is one of the fastest growing area of opportunity for platforms within embedded finance. So we at Flagship recently surveyed around 100 North American software platforms, and the results show that lending is the first fintech product that software platforms plan to launch after payments. So the demand for embedded lending is really here. Merchants need access to financing for a couple of core reasons. So 50% of what we observe in the market among SMBs want to open a new cafe, they want to open a new hair salon, they want to buy some additional inventory. 20% want funding around cash flow management. So think about, Mother's Day, or it's Christmas, it's Black Friday. The remaining 30% would like to have operational coverage, right? So I need to pay a specific bill, or I have a taxi repair, etc. Banks are very good at providing you with a commercial real estate loans, but they're not very good at actually servicing micro and SMBs as it comes to short-term financing. So when you go to a bank, loan application is really lengthy. You need to provide and show proof of, your historical sales. You need to go back many, many years. The access to funding really takes a long time. So as a software platform, when you embed lending into your platform, or for a PSP that is servicing SMBs as well, if you embed lending, that's super, super powerful. And so the fear of rejection that micro and small businesses have really goes away. And then on top, you can actually really build a powerful model. Because within a few clicks, a merchant can effectively access to lending. They don't necessarily require, any additional information like documents, and can receive the funding very quickly, oftentimes, within the same day or, the next day on their bank account. And so again, you're really solving for a real pain that merchants currently have, right? So I want to grow, I want to manage my cash flow, or I really face or want to solve for unforeseen expenses. So again, repair, so I want to upgrade something. So the embedded lending proposition is really very, very powerful. So platform or PSPs offering embedded lending really see higher merchant LTV, stronger retention, lower churn, repeat usage within the 12 to 18 months. And that's really the beauty of embedded lending. You own the data, you own the timing, and so that's how you win versus a typical bank. So that's a wrap on our embedded finance series. So whether if you're just starting with payments or already starting to think about, scaling within embedded lending or any other product, one thing is clear, there's a lot of potential and platforms are becoming the new fintechs. So thanks a lot for watching and very much looking forward to the next shots.